Oh, the bear is completely neglecting himself. Take him to the shower so he can have a wash.
Hello, Bear.
Masha is hungry. Tap on her wish. Drag the food to Masha.
How delicious!
Mmm.
That was really good. Now it's time to play.
Masha wants to ride her bike. Let's find it. Wow! Tap on Masha to play. Hit the button as fast as you can.
It's time to find out who's the fastest. Let's go!
Yay! You're doing a great job.
Hooray! Time to get presents. Yay! Wow! Yay! Wow! Wow! A water gun!
The bear wants to play badminton.
Oh, I'm running out of time. I have to go to bed.
The bear is hungry.
Hooray! Time to get presents. Wow! Yay!
Tap the present to open it.
Hooray! A new outfit! Oh my gosh! A fishing rod!
Wow! It looks like there's a new outfit in the closet. Take Masha to the closet to get her dressed. Let's dress Masha up.
Bear, let's play! Wow! Just like in a real circus! I don't feel so good. Achoo!
Wow, the bear is very happy. The bear wants to go fishing. Wow, the bear is very happy. The bear is completely tired.
I want to play with the water cannon. Oh, it's time for a shower. Hooray! Time to get presents. Wow! Roller skates.
The bear wants to go fish. The bear is very happy.